Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin now. Confirm your Robi SIM is active and you can send SMS. Next, check the My Robi app or UST menu for an advance MB or emergency data option. This is where you request temporary data credit. If you're offline, prepare to dial the specific Robi UST for data advance or craft the required SMS template. Do this immediately so the operator can validate eligibility. Once validated, you'll move to the request confirmation step. You now request the emergency MB. In My Robi, choose the Advanced Data option or dial the UST and navigate to Advance MB. Carefully pick the MB pack size offered and note any fee or automatic deduction terms. This determines what you'll repay. Confirm the transaction when prompted. Do not skip verification. After you confirm, wait for the operator's SMS, which will state the granted MB amount and expiry time. Make sure you read that message, so once the MB arrives, you can use it right away. Check usage and expiry in the My Robi app or via Balance UST. When you recharge, Robi will usually auto-deduct the Advance Plus fee. Make sure the deduction appears in your SMS receipt. If the MB doesn't arrive within a few minutes, retry the request once. If that fails, note any error code and contact Robi support with that SMS ID so they can trace the transaction. This resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.